Hello students and welcome back. This is the last part 4 of the political party MCQ and short question answers. I hope you have enjoyed whatever I have posted so far. If you have enjoyed and you are liking this content, please do subscribe, like and share my channel. That keeps me motivated. Let's quickly begin the last part, and the first question is which one of the following is not a component of a political party? और आपके पास ये क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है, प्लीज टेल द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. सो ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे हैं एक्टिव मेंबर्स, लीडर्स, विमेन, द फॉलोअर्स. एंड स्टूडेंट्स द आंसर फॉर दिस इज जो एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी होती है उसमें लीडर्स भी होते हैं, एक्टिव मेंबर्स भी होते हैं और फॉलोअर्स भी होते हैं, बट नॉट नेसेसरी एक विमेन होना क्राइटेरिया हो. सो women is not a component of a political party. Political parties are allotted symbols by the Constitution of India, the Election Commission, the party leaders or the Government of India. Students, again a very easy one. जो political party के symbols होते हैं that are approved and provided by the Election Commission. मतलब एक ऑप्शन हम जरूर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी देती है कि हमारे को ये दे दीजिए, तो इलेक्शन कमीशन उनको अलॉट करती है. Which of the following countries is the example of a two-party system? USA, UK, India or both USA and UK? So again students, very easy. हमें पता है USA में भी two-party system है और UK में भी two-party system है. So answer is both A and B. India is multi-party. Which of these is true regarding the party system of any country? Important leaders choose their party system. People choose their party system. The constitution lays down party system. No country can choose its party system. And students, इसका आंसर है no country can choose its party system. Pick the country where the two party system exists. China, Pakistan, India, UK. Very easy. बार बार आता है जिससे कि आपको याद रहे. It's United Kingdom. The Bahujan Samaj Party stands for the cause of securing the interests of the elite class, securing the interests of the capitalist class, securing the interests of the educated class or securing the interests of the oppressed people. So students, जो बहुजन समाज पार्टी है वो दलित्स को, शेड्यूल कास्ट को, शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स वगैरह को, जो बैकवर्ड या ऑप्रेस क्लासेस होती हैं उनकी भलाई के लिए बनी थी. सो द बहुजन समाज पार्टी जो है that stands for the cause of securing the interests of the oppressed people. This is again an important MCQ. It's repeated. What does the term partisan mean? The ruling party which runs the government? No. A group of people who come together to promote common beliefs? No. The affair of the state of the science of the governance? No. A person who is strongly committed to the party? Yes. So partisan का मतलब होता है a person who is strongly committed to a party. मतलब उसकी डेडिकेशन होती है, कमिटमेंट होती है to a particular party. That is called partisan. An alliance is formed when the state parties and national parties together form the government. Two parties together form the government. Some parties join for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power in hands. Left and right parties join hands to form the government. अगेन अ वेरी इजी वन. हमें पता है अलायंस ऐसा होता है कि सम पार्टीज, कुछ पार्टीज हैं वो ज्वाइन करती हैं फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ कॉन्टेस्टिंग इलेक्शन एंड दे शो एज एन अलायंस एज अ फेस, not a single party as a face. So alliance is formed when some parties join for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power in hands. Which one of the following is a better way of carrying out political reforms in a democratic country? So students, इनमें से क्या ऑप्शन है which is a better way of carrying out political reform? Empowerment of people, the constitutional changes, the legal changes, the legislation of for reforms. So students, इसका जवाब है the empowerment of people. If we empower people, that's a better way of carrying out political reforms in the democratic country. In which of these states does the CPIM enjoy strong support? Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal or Uttar Pradesh? A very easy answer. आपको पता है जो CPI है ये वेस्ट बंगाल से एसोसिएटेड मानी जाती है। नॉर्मली हम जब भी सीपीआई की बात करते हैं तो वेस्ट बंगाल दिमाग में आता है, तो आंसर आपको पता होगा। CPIM enjoys strong support in West Bengal. What is a political party? A group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. Non-government groups to do social work. Government organizations for social work. Self-made groups who automatically hold power. ये तो बहुत ही easy है, I think सबको पता है. It is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They are the political parties. Which party is only allowed to rule in China? Options हैं Liberal Party, Socialist Party, Maoist Party और Communist Party. And students, I think everybody knows in China there's only one party which is allowed to rule, and it is the Communist Party. Give the meaning of alliance. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ है, इसके ऊपर आपके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन भी आ सकते हैं कि प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अलायंस. ऑप्शंस हमारे पास हैं लेफ्टिस्ट एंड राइटिस्ट टुगेदर फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. नो, दैट्स नॉट द आंसर. व्हेन स्टेट एंड नेशनल पार्टीज टुगेदर फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज आल्सो नॉट द आंसर. टू पार्टीज टुगेदर फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज आल्सो नॉट द आंसर. When several parties in a multi-party system join for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power, that is the answer. तो जैसे कि हमें पता है NDA, UPA, these are all alliance. National Democratic Alliance, United Progressive Alliance. तो एक में आपको पता है कांग्रेस कुछ पार्टी के साथ मिलके अपना ग्रुप बनाती है और एक में बीजेपी भी बनाती है. So answer is when several parties in a multi-party system join for the purpose of contesting elections and winning power. Can parties play a role in making laws for the country in some conditions? No, maybe, yes. So students, yes. जो parties होती हैं, when they get elected, they come in power, they're part of the government, and they play a role in making laws for the country. So answer is yes, parties play a role in making laws for the country. हम बुक को भी रेफर करेंगे. Parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Formally, laws are debated and passed in the legislature, but since most of the members belong to a party, they go by the direction of the party leadership, irrespective of their personal opinions. So, इसलिए parties play a decisive role in making laws for the country. And students, that was the last question of this part 4, and I hope you have enjoyed this as much as I have enjoyed making it and presenting it to you. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं तो do like them. That keeps me motivated. And I wish you all the success and good luck for your future in life, students. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing. Keep watching.